Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate on your iPhone to find out how to say in Spanish any word or sentence. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Google Translate app. If you don't have it, download it from App Store. Inside the app, you will see two language box. On the left, choose the language you speak, for example English. On the right, choose Spanish. Now Google Translate know you want to translate English to Spanish. Type what you want to say. For example, hello, good morning, where is the washroom? I need help. As soon as you type Spanish, Translate will appear below. Use the speaker button to hear it. Next to the Spanish translation, you will see a speaker icon. Tap it and your iPhone will say the word in Spanish out loud. This helps you hear the correct pronunciation. You can tap it as many times as you want to practice. Use voice translation option. If you prefer speaking instead of typing, tap the voice button, the microphone icon. Say the English paraphrase out loud. The Google Translate will instantly show how to say it in Spanish and read it for you. If you see text you want in Spanish, like sign or menu, tap the camera option, point your iPhone to the text. Google Translate will translate it into Spanish on your screen. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.